Before you spend another dollar trying to soundproof your windows in 2026, watch this, because half the stuff being sold right now does nothing. Total waste of money. But there are options that actually work, from 30 bucks all the way to over 1,000. And there's even a brand new active noise cancellation product in 2026 that works like AirPods for your windows. I've tested almost all of these myself. So here's the 2026 update. This part won't take too long. What doesn't work and what is a waste of money. First up, those thin plastic window films marketed as soundproof. Well, they're not. They're really just weatherproofing films that's meant to keep heat in or out, not block noise. Some companies will slap the word on the label, but that doesn't mean it's true. Blackout curtains. Great at blocking a light. When it comes to sound, they're just not going to cut it. They don't have the density to block noise. At best, it reduces a bit of echo in the room, but if you're expecting them to stop traffic noise or your loud neighbors, you're going to be disappointed. Now here's a new one I wanted to call out for 2026. Those soundproof stickers all over TikTok Shop and Amazon. You'll see them advertised as soundproof window film or soundproof window stickers. Some of them are literally just a thin sheet of PE plastic that you stick on with adhesive loops. 20 bucks. No way that's blocking anything. Let's now go with what does work. And a lot of these methods, well, actually all of them, I won't talk about replacing the window because that's an obvious one and it costs a lot of money. So that would be like a step 0 that I'm not really going to talk about. So step 1, sealing the gaps and cracks, because if air can get through, so can sound. Most windows are full of tiny gaps at the top, sides, and especially at the bottom. Even if gaps look small, they can let in a surprising amount of noise. First thing you want to do is grab some acoustic caulk, not your regular caulking. Acoustic caulking is different, it stays rubbery over time. All you do is apply it all around the window. Top, bottom, both sides. Pay close attention to the corners. The one I'm using this year is Liquid Nails. Not sponsored, nothing in this video is sponsored. I'm just going by what works and the current price, because price did go up a while back and I wasn't really recommending acoustic sealant anymore, but prices have gone down and this one is under 10 bucks. And I'll have links in the description below to make it easy for you to go out and buy. Next, check the weather strip. If it's old, cracked, or just flimsy, replace it with something thicker and more durable like a rubber seal. Rubber compresses when the window shuts, creating a much tighter seal than the cheap foam stuff that usually comes with the window. I did this on a single pane window and it made a huge difference. All of this will cost you between $20 and $30 and about 20 and 30 minutes of your time. Next one is soundproof window panels. These are the heavy fabric ones built to actually block sound, not just absorb it. They're packed with dense material like fiberglass, mass-loaded vinyl, or thick quilted fabrics. If you watched my videos on soundproofing doors, I featured a soundproof door panel. These are the same concept but for windows. And great things about these panels is they can be taken down whenever you want. Cost wise, you're looking between $60 to $200 or more. I tested one and it dropped the noise by 8 to 10 decibels. So if you want to block sound, not just deaden the noise in the room, these are way more solid than the curtains. And every 10 decibels you drop cuts the noise that a human ear can hear in half. Now the third one, let's talk about noise reduction window inserts, or soundproof window inserts. These are thick acrylic panels that fit right inside your existing window frame without any drilling or screws. Perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want any permanent changes. The way it works is pretty much the same across the brands. You measure your window, they fabricate the insert custom to your size, and when it arrives to you, press it into place. Compression tubing around the edges expands and seals it tight against the frame. There's a few brands doing this in North America. Indo out of Portland is one of them, and I've used them before. They work well, especially on a single pane window, but there's another one I have yet to try. They're called a Climate Seal, specifically the Acoustic series, and on paper, their numbers are even better than Indo. They claim up to 80% sound reduction. Indo's acoustic grade sits around 42 to 45. Real world performance depends on your window, your wall, the type of noise, and I always test it myself before I tell you if it's any good. good. So keep an eye out for that one in a few weeks. I'm assuming you're subscribed, so you're gonna see it come up. Cost-wise, you're looking at around $40 per square foot for either brand. So a standard 3x4 foot window is around $480. Yes, not cheap, but you're saving thousands, and they actually work. Number 4, if you want to go a step further, window plugs. A couple of years ago, I made a window plug, and let me tell you, it worked better than I expected. It's basically a heavy removable panel that you slide into the window frame. I built mine with a thick wood frame that fits snugly inside the window opening. Inside the frame, I layered 5/8 of an inch drywall for density, insulation in the middle for sound absorption, and a sheet of mass-loaded vinyl to really block out that noise. All of it sealed up tightly with acoustic sealant and wrapped with weather strip. When this thing is in place, it's basically like plugging the window with a wall. No light, almost no noise, and because it's removable, you could pull it out when you want light or, I guess, fresh air. And cost-wise for all of this, you're looking at around $80 to $120 for all the materials: MDF, drywall, mass-loaded vinyl, weather strip, and acoustic sealant. Not bad for something that actually works and doesn't require any permanent installation. And honestly, this is the best bang for your buck on this entire list. Number 5, let's talk about soundproof shutters. These aren't your regular blinds or window coverings. We're talking heavy-duty shutters specifically designed to block noise. There's a few brands doing this, and the way it works, shutters are custom sized to your specific window dimensions. You send your measurements and the window company fabricates them to fit perfectly. Once installed, when they're closed, they create an airtight seal that blocks a lot of noise. So they're perfect for people that needs to sleep during the day. Cost-wise, well, these are not what you would consider budget-friendly. Expect to pay anywhere between $600 to $1,500 per window. Next one is something similar: sound reducing honeycomb blinds. These are heavy duty cellular blinds with a dense honeycomb structure that traps air and helps cut down on noise. They fit snug against the window frame, so there's less space for sound to slip through. I was always skeptical of them, but I've seen a lot of people use them and they work quite well. Some people are saying that they're getting reductions between 4 and 6 decibel. There you go. Step 7, moving blankets or quilted blankets. This is one of the cheapest way to cover a window and actually block some noise. You layer a couple of thick blankets together and use heavy-duty Velcro to attach them to the window frame. It's all about adding mass and creating a barrier. The thicker and denser the blankets, the better. But let's be clear, it's not going to be as effective as a solid window plug or, of course, an acrylic window panel. The cost, $40 to $60 for a pack of 4, and you're good to go. And the next one I want to put on your radar are magnetic acoustic secondary glazing. Thick laminated acoustic glass or heavy-duty acrylic that snaps onto a magnetic frame mounted around your window. The frame is installed once with adhesive steel tape, and the panel pops on and off whenever you want. So you get a real second layer of glass with a sealed edge without doing any major construction. The cost of these are between $100 to $400 per window depending on the size. All right, final step, and this is the crazy one for 2026. Active noise cancelling window. Yeah, I'm not joking. Same technology as your AirPods or Sony XM5s. They mount sensors and speakers around the window frame. A microphone outside listens to any incoming noises, and then a chip inside calculates the exact opposite sound waves and pumps it out through transducers attached to the glass. Right? And the two waves will essentially cancel each other out before reaching your ears. And here's the crazy part. It works best on the exact frequencies that every other products on this list struggles with. Traffic, aircraft, construction. They're rolling out across Europe first, but North American availability is coming. So that looks like it might be the future of window soundproofing, and it's already here in some markets. Link to Denoise in the description so you can check it out for yourself. So that's pretty well it for the 2026 window soundproofing video. If you wanna know how to soundproof a wall very, very well and not it costing you too much, video right there. That one's a banger. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, assuming you subscribed.